Gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. We did see it diverge, and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $49.32. With the 4 hour chart, we are dipping into negative MACD territory. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. We may encounter temporary support with the 18-day moving average, this purple line at a price of $48.81. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $47.19, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the lows made back in April 12th. My sell target is at $51.54, and my stop loss is at $45.48. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $52.27, and my sell target is at $49, and my stop loss is at $53.03. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 29% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, a 43% chance to climb between 5 to 10%, and to the downside it has a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.